just want to show you what we're going to make today. It's a delicious, look at this beautiful dessert from my childhood, unbaked, no bake cake. Takes 10 minutes to make and 1 hour to late. That's the hardest part of this dessert. So delicious, 3 ingredients, no time, everyone can do. Before we start it, let me tell you something. Who watched me for a while, I wish you can help me to support my home country. In the description below, I will leave all details about how you can directly support Ukraine army. Let's start. Hello everyone, this is Inna with Innichka chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making something sweet. Today we are making something from my childhood. Once in a while I'm craving for that. It's a waffle cake. It's 3 ingredient cake, literally so easy. When I grew up in Ukraine, my mom did not like bake or cook actually. So this is a cake was for her go for because it doesn't require any bacon. And it's delicious. Everyone can do. My Thomas does sometimes. All you need this unique waffles. They are super inexpensive. I think $3 I pay for that. And you can buy in any international grocery if you have nearby, or order online on Amazon, and I will link below. Sometimes they come colorful. You know how I like colors, so plain for me, white, but it's up to you. Another ingredients, we need cooked condensed milk, and all you need to do, get jar of milk, place in crock pot overnight, look, and cook. It's so easy, so easy. And let me show you, 8 hours later you have perfect, they call dolce, basically like caramel. And I posted year ago ice cream, salted caramel ice cream. It wasn't cheating, it wasn't true caramel, but this is tastes amazing and just like caramel. Look. Little bit walnuts, chopped walnuts. I think a few cashews here came along as well. Now some just for the crunch. Yummy. That's it. Pretty and so quick. And while we've been waiting for 1 hour, my kid's been snacking on this extra delicious caramel filling with green apple. Also, you have to cover this cake. First of all, because you don't want to get dry. Second, you don't want anybody to eat. You see how beautiful and nice and soft, and waffles from crispiness to soft and sweet and slightly salty because we use salted butter. It's just perfect, quick, easy dessert if you don't have time, or you don't like bake. This is basically dessert for everyone and everyone's favorite, always. I hope I convince you make this beautiful dessert. I hope I convince you to make this simple, delicious dessert and have with your cup of coffee late afternoon. And give me a like, subscribe, share with your family, friends, and see you next time. Bye.